Mine hunting day. Gonna look for the lost Alma claims. Mines are really hard to find in the Santa Anas, so wish me luck. Some kind of old tool of some sort. Hard to see, it's pretty big. Don't know what it was for, but interesting. Nice spot on the creek. At least if I don't find a mine, I could probably take a swim. I think I may have just found one. At least one opening. It at least looks like it from here. Yeah, I think there is one here. Ah, very shallow. Dang. But at least we know there's some stuff out here. Climbing out of the canyon again. There's a big cliff up here. There, it looks like a good spot for mines, so it's a gamble, but we'll see. Getting steep. Well, this ain't very pleasant. Crawling through bushes here. I think I'm just about there. Oh man. Better be something up here. Found another mini one. This is still a cool little hole that somebody dug out here. Another large cutout here. Definitely could have been one here. It's an interesting rock though. Wow, that actually looks like a natural cave up there. I don't think that's a mine. Might want to try up there and figure out what's in there. Some of those ravens flew out, so I'm assuming they have a nest in there. Crazy. Wow. Climbing up. There's definitely a raven nest up here. Starting to piss them off. Well, no mine, but I might as well see if there's any eggs in that nest. See if I can get up. This stuff is all really loose though. Don't want to start an avalanche right here. Pretty dangerous. And pretty high now too. Whew. Wow. Here. I think I'm just about high enough to at least get my GoPro in there. Let's see what's in here. Oh crap. Crazy. Whew. Man. Hard to climb back down. It's dense over here. Oh man. Okay. Whew. Coming down these chutes, they're steep. Oh man. Made it to the area where the homestead's supposed to be. Nothing here. Figured it probably burned down in a fire a while ago. All that's left is a giant pile of sticks or logs. But I'm gonna check the surrounding areas because they usually put mines behind these homesteads a lot of the times. So hopefully, it's a really large area. So no wonder they put the homestead over here. But I haven't found anything yet. Just keep looking. Made it over to this little side canyon here. I'm thinking there might be some more mines up this canyon. I know it gets more rocky up here. So definitely worth a check. There's some big walls. Definitely could be some possible adits over here. So I'm gonna keep going up and see what's up here anyway. It's pretty cool. Look at this tree. Wow. It's pretty crazy. Just climbing up the creek bed, there's another shaft on the hill here. That one actually looks like it may go deeper too, so let's go find out. It's a steep little climb to get to it though. Pretty hard to get up. Not to mention there's tons of poison oak by the entrance. It's always fun. Oh yeah, this one goes farther. Nice. This one still doesn't go very far back, but it's definitely an improvement. I could actually walk in. Should have brought my flashlight. There's actually a nest in here. I wonder what's in there. Let me bring my light and check that out. Alrighty, back with my light this time, so you can see better. My iPhone. Should be able to get a better view now. Let's see. Want something like jump out. Oh, it's empty. What kind of bird though? Or rats? Interesting. Hey, this is pretty cool. Old mining shovel. This has got to be about 70, 80 years old. So that's pretty cool. Alrighty. Got one last place I want to check. However, this one is 500 feet up from the creek, so starting my climb up, and this is going to be really steep. And it should be up on top of this hill, the very top. There better be something there. Woo! Made it up. That was gnarly. A big cliff here too. Yeah. It's a random cable right here. Oh, it ends at the top right here, so I'm actually at the top of it. Well, at least there's something out here. Let's see if there's anything else. Well, no mine way up here. You win some, lose some, I guess. But at least today, I found quite a few little shafts, which is pretty awesome. And an old antique shovel head. But, cool thing is, nice view of the peak up here of Jessica and Santiago. So, never a disappointment. Hopefully to find some more mines soon.